Hey there, my name is Alan Klein. I'm here with VanDOit Camper Vans. We're at Ragbri, riding from Missouri River to the Mississippi River, somewhere around 400, 500 miles. I'm not sure which one. That's why I'm in the tights. I'm sure you were wondering. I just rode today 62 miles, so this was my first day of riding. VanDOit's here in the evenings showing off our cool van, and I wanted to show you guys some cool things about VanDOit Camper Vans. So join me on this little tour. We're going to start here in the back. We got a lot of cool stuff in here. I'm going to try and go quick. First things first is our gear slide, okay? This is where you put all of your adventure tools. We have people throw people throw kayaks back here. We've got people that you can put a bed back here. We have bikes back here right now. We're at Ragbri. So this actually holds up to 800 pounds, and it slides all the way out, making everything easier to get to. So that's our gear slide. It's all lined with T-Track. So what T-Track is, you can slide your crap anywhere and tie it down wherever. So this just tightens down. We've got our bike mounts in here right now. And then whenever you're done with it, slide it right back in. Here's our water system. So we've got a 6-gallon tank. You literally just flip this open, take that out, unscrew it, fill it back up, put it back in, tighten it down. We got a hose here. Over here's our water pump button. It's flipped on, and you got water. You ready for it?
Oh yeah.
It was on the wrong. Okay, that's our water pump system. What we do actually is we've got a shower mount. With this T-Track system, we've got a mount that you put right here in the T-Track. You hang your shower right here. Close both of these doors. You hang a shower curtain from door to door, and you got yourself an outdoor shower. Pretty cool, huh? We got an air tank right here. We got hot water right here for those of you who like a hot shower, and we got shelving systems on either side. I can't forget though our hydraulic bed system. So what we've got here is our bed platform on a system that goes up and down depending on where you want your bed. So if you want more space up top, you lower it. If you want to put taller things underneath, like our bikes, you raise it. So we've got a little wrench. It's extremely simple. Stick it in there. This is raising it. To lower it, you simply flip. It's good to go. So the bed's just lowering. No time at all. All right, let's go on to the front. Oh, here's our porta potty system. So this is dry flush. Put it wherever you want. If you don't want to do your stuff in the van, you don't have to. So this is the inside, kind of the living space of our van. The idea behind our van is we wanted a utilitarian kind of approach to our van. So we're all about utility. We're all about function over form. And so we wanted to make a van where you could take stuff out that you don't need in there and put it back when you want it. So our van actually has the capability of being a 7-seater. But if you want to take it out on a weekend adventure, you want to live out of our van, which a lot of people are, you take out the seats super quick and you throw in the kitchen pod. So we've got an electric burner up top. We've got a sink with water and a ton of storage space down here. And when you're ready to take it out, you simply just unlatch it, unscrew the water, and take it right out. Right here is pretty much where everything electrical and power combines and is orchestrated. So our vans are powered via 3 different ways. So you can have solar power. So we've actually got 2 solar panels up on top that are continually charging. Anytime the sun's out, it's continually charging these 3 battery banks down here. Well, it's 1 battery bank, 3 batteries in there. And these are deep cycle, meant to last for a really long time. So that's one way. We've got shore power. Here, come back to the back again with me. You literally just plug in an extension cord right here. There's the male part. Take the extension cord, plug it in, and you can plug this into any 110 outlet. You can stick it into a generator, If you're at a campsite, plug it into the campsite, and you're good to go. You've got power. So the last form of energy is with this battery bank. Anytime your van is turned on, the alternator is automatically going to start running and charging up that battery bank. So that's kind of our power system. We wanted the ability to be to go off grid. If you wanted to get away from the world, you use your solar power, charge up your battery bank, and go out and get off grid. So we've got vinyl flooring, very easily cleaned, very tough. It looks like it is a metal, but this is just vinyl. Right here we've got a swivel seat, so kind of opens up this area right here. It can be an office, it can be a living room. We have people use it for a ton of different things. So up here you can see our television. Right now we've got, it looks like, I actually don't know what movie that is, but I'm sure it's good. We've got charging ports on the inside. We've got USB, 110 outlet right there. We've actually got one back here behind the kitchen pod as well. These are leather seats. You can customize the color of your seat. You can put new designs on it, kind of whatever you want to do. Our vans are customizable. So the way that we like to build our vans is we realize that our customers they've got a ton of different things they like to do. If you like to kayak, there's a good chance you like to hike, to camp. We wanted our customers to be able to build a van. Actually, it's kind of like Chipotle. You go to Chipotle, you don't always have to get the beans on if you don't want them. So we wanted our customers to be able to pick and choose the things that they're going to be able to use. We never want somebody to go drive away from our lot and have $5,000 extra of things in their van that they're never going to use. So that's why we kind of let our customers pick and choose the things to a certain degree that they want in their van. Right here is our refrigerator. So we use Dometic refrigerators in our system so that you can take it out, put it back in whenever you want to. So right now we've actually got 100 popsicles in here that we're handing out here at RagBri. People coming in on their bikes, they love popsicles. It's nostalgic. Everyone eats these as their kids. What are you doing? See what I'm talking about? Jeez. There's a lot of other things that I could cover. There's pages of things that you can add to your van. But these are kind of the big ones. I missed a big one, and that's this canopy right here. So we got two options. You can do a manual canopy, which you literally unzip, roll out, flip down these legs, and it's good to go. Right now, we actually have an automatic canopy. So you come in here, and you literally just hold out the out button, and it automatically extends. You flip down these legs, and you've got yourself an outdoor living space. With our manual canopy, you can actually put a screen around the outside, so that if you wanted to have an outdoor porch where bugs aren't going to be bothering you, you're good to go. For those of you who don't want to run AC, which by the way we do have up here, it's actually AC and heat. But if you've got a cool night, 60-degree weather, you might get stuffy if the doors are closed. We actually offer mosquito nets. So what you do, there's literally magnets that line the perimeter of each door frame, the side door as well as the back door. You put those up, and you've got yourself a living space where you've got natural breezes coming through to where you're not going to get hot. So I know I talked a lot. I know it's a lot to intake, kind of like a fire hose, just a ton of stuff coming at you. But I hope you learned a little bit more about VanDOit Adventure Vans. Check us out on the web. Follow us on Instagram, VanDOit.com. You can see all of the options that we provide. Guys, cool van. And we are at a price point that is affordable for everybody. So check us out on the web, and give us a call. We'd love to talk more about what could be if you purchased a VanDOit Adventure van. So thank you guys.